Today I'm going to share our 10 dinner meal plan for early July, as well as a few cook with me recipes. Hey guys, welcome back to another month of meal planning. Today's video is part of a series that I have been doing here on my channel, where each month I am sharing a 10 dinner meal plan that I'm using for at least the first few weeks of the month. And typically I share a grocery haul to go along with it. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of doing a grocery haul, I am going to do a cook with me segment of the video, where I'm going to take you alongside of me as I am cooking a few of these dinners that I have planned for the month of July. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump into the meal plan. I will put a visual right here in case you want to jot any of these down or follow along. Meal number one is going to be Johnny Marzetti. Now, if you have never heard of this dish, it's something that's native to the Midwest, actually native to here in Ohio. It is a pasta dish that you cook with cheddar cheese and tomato sauce and hamburger. It's really good. It's something I grew up on that my mom cooked. They served it a lot in school cafeterias. So I'm going to try to make our own little version of that here at home. I'm hoping to let one of my teens or tweens maybe take ownership of this meal and cook it on their own, but Johnny Marzetti is our first meal of the month. Number two is going to be Rosemary and Lemon Chicken. This is just a summer favorite of mine. I have rosemary growing in the garden right now, and I love lemon and citrus in the summer. So lemon rosemary chicken breasts, probably alongside of some roasted potatoes, maybe a salad. That'll be a really nice, refreshing summer dinner. Dinner number three is actually a recipe that was given to me by one of my viewers here on YouTube. April Hutchins shared this recipe in the comments on one of my meal planning videos. Thanks, April. I'm so looking forward to trying out her recipe for pulled pork sandwiches. I'm going to make this alongside of some coleslaw. I will make sure to share April's recipe down below in the description box along with her notes. Next up is going to be sheet pan fajitas. This is something I really like to make, especially in the summertime, with shrimp. So I'm going to put shrimp and bell peppers and onions all on a sheet pan, throw them in the oven, and then serve it alongside of fajitas and all of the taco trimmings. Next up is grilling out sirloin steaks. This is a favorite of my husband and I. We love grilling steaks in the summertime, but with 5 kids, a family of 7, grilling out steaks can be a little bit expensive. And I don't know about you, my kids would much rather eat hot dogs than steak. And so that's a way we kind of economically take care of that. I will make steaks for Justin and I, and then I will go ahead and throw some hot dogs on the grill for the kids as well. So that will be dinner one night. We will pair that alongside of baked potatoes and salad. Number 6 is just a very simple kind of cheat meal that I like to do on weekday nights when I am running out of time, and that is cast iron grilled sandwiches. I just like to take sourdough bread and sliced cheese and whatever leftover lunch meat we have from the week and make hot grilled sandwiches in the cast iron skillet on the stove. Next up is an instant pot meal. I have some beef roasts down in my deep freezer that I need to finish up this summer. So I am going to make a spin off on the Chipotle bowls. We are going to do barbacoa bowls served alongside of cilantro lime rice. Number 8 is a repeat from June, but it's a hit around here. Everybody likes it, so we're going to do it again. Potato packs out on the grill. Now, I picked up some sausages from Trader Joe's the last time I was there, and I will just cut these up into chunks alongside of some diced potatoes and onions, throw in a bunch of seasonings, put these on the grill. It is a really fast, really nice dinner that I can just pair alongside of some salad or some raw veggies. Number 9, another sandwich option. This is one of my favorite things to make for dinner are sandwiches. But BLT and E's, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and then I like to do a fried egg on there as well. Lastly, I'm going to try out a new recipe to me, Instant Pot Chicken Fried Rice. We absolutely love ordering chicken fried rice from our local Thai restaurant, so I thought that it would be fun to kind of try to make this at home. Maybe it would be a little bit easier on our wallet. So, Instant Pot Fried Rice. right, guys, well, that wraps things up for today. If you enjoyed this type of video, this cook along with me and meal planning, make sure to take a second, give this video a thumbs up and like it down below. While you're at it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave me a comment. Tell me something that you are cooking with your family this summer in your kitchen. I hope that you guys are having a great week. See you later.